Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Skyai token. Now the Skyai token just got a bunch of very big central exchange listings. It's trending all over the place, this token here on DEX Screener, DEX Tools, all the chart sites. And we're going to go over the information on the Skyai token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Skyai is an all-in-one artificial intelligence ecosystem powered by MCP, designed to seamlessly integrate intelligent solutions across industries with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. You can find this token on BSC Scan. And so this token just got a bunch of very big central exchange listings. And one of them here is Mexc Global. So they just got listed today, April 20th, 5 a.m. UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token here and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and you would search Skyai, all one word, that's the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. Now you can find this token if you're looking for the charts, like where the statistical information is, like the price, holders, all that type of stuff. You can find this token on DEX Tools, DEX Screener, like I mentioned earlier, BSC Scan as well. Right now they have 36,493 holders. Huge project, 18 decimal places on this token. Max total supply, 1 billion tokens. Now their webpage is skyai.pro. They also have here a Telegram. They have a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. Their Telegram, this is the community chat Telegram. Skyai Pro on Telegram. Has only 259 members, 89 online, so it's a very small community chat Telegram so far. But that's going to be a good place to join the discussion with other community members regarding this project, ask questions, that type of thing. Now, this token is up 713% right now, according to DEX Screener, and they are trending #1 on DEX Screener in the Binance Smart Chain section. They only came out 8 hours ago. It says that's when the pair was created on Panacakeswap. So very, very brand new token designed to seamlessly integrate intelligent solutions across industries. Their Twitter in the corner of the screen here at Skyai Pro has a blue verified check mark, 21 posts so far. They just joined April 2025 on Twitter, 12,300 followers. Says their company there is from the United States. And it says, join the official Telegram account, so please be cautious of unofficial accounts. Any important updates will be announced in our Telegram. So generally what I would do is if you scroll down, they're going to find some transactions, like it says, the Skyai airdrop completed, liquidity pool locked, 100% LP burned, and it has a BSC scan transaction. It says, the next phase begins, stay tuned to see what's coming. And then the tweet right underneath that has the contract address. So what I would do is I would take that contract address and I would put that into DEX Tools or DEX Screener if you're looking up this token, and that way you ensure that you have the right Skyai token, because there is obviously a ton of scammers out there that'll just copy the name of a token, shoot it out there, and then people invest in the wrong token just based off the name. So use the contract address. There's a tweet from 8 hours ago on the Twitter right here if you're looking for info on this token. And it says 500 BNB liquidity added to the liquidity pool. Please note the tokens will be airdropped immediately after deployment in the order BNB was transferred during the pre-sale. So there was a pre-sale for this token prior to the listing. And now this token, I believe, also got listed on xt.com today. And it also got listed on Lbank, I believe, and then Mexc Global, and then also Panacakeswap. So it's an open source MCP technology community committed to returning proceeds to our supporters and participants. So it has tons of pre-sale information on there. It said 80% of the tokens were allocated to the pre-sale, 20% directly to the liquidity pool. Their pre-sale had a hard cap of 500 BNB, fully used for liquidity. Excess BNB is refunded. Public pre-sale tokens distributed proportionally by contribution. If you have any questions, it says they do AMAs. So it looks like maybe with 4Meme is one of their partners, BNB Chain, and Bro Leon. I'm not sure who that is. But yeah, pre-sale is closed. Now the token's live on central exchanges, Panacakeswap. Just today, they've had a 24-hour trading volume, $28.2 million. $38.5 million market cap right now and fully diluted valuation. $3 million worth of liquidity in Panacakeswap. 99.99% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Almost 30,000 transactions in the past 8 hours or so. And token price right now is about 3.87 cents per token. And yeah, it just came out 8 hours, 47 minutes ago. So very brand new project. Go check it out right now on Mexc Global. Check out the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.